Hey guys, my name is Wes Lewis from Transcend Existence. Today I'm installing a 72-inch Heritage Series jackknife sofa from Lippert. This couch that I'm on now has served me well, but it's getting a little worn down, and we're going to replace it with something much better. So stick around, see what we do. It's gonna be great. All right, so now we're back in the bus again, and we're gonna go ahead and remove this one and get the couch out of here. God, that would work perfectly, actually. Our bar just straight across that we can bolt right to. 23 plus 11 and a half is what? 34 and a half. All right, so these are the 1-inch pieces that I just cut out, and I'm gonna place those right here and go ahead and weld them in place. And then once they're in place, I will then set the couch frame back up here and mark the holes where these will be, and then drill the holes through, and then we can bolt it right in place. All right, everybody, we got it installed. Fits really nice. It's definitely firmer and a little more solid than my other couch. It was breaking down really bad, but it fits really well within my space. It hinges out really cool. I'll give you a demonstration of that real quick. It's called the jackknife for this reason right here. It folds out like this and becomes a, man, that's probably a full size, somewhere close to a full size bed. So you can sleep 1 comfortably, 2 tightly. I don't know. They're gonna be snuggling a lot. But yeah, then it folds over. Another neat feature is this little thing here. The center folds down. So you've got some cool little cup holders here, and that's going to be really nice just sitting in here, hanging out, visiting with people. The takeaway to this is make sure you order a leg kit for this. Such as bus life in general, things happen quick and you got to just kind of go with the flow and figure things out. So in this case, of course, we had to build, I was able to use my bottom platform on my old couch and just modify it to make this couch fit on top of it. And it worked out really well, but there is a leg kit you can get for this thing. So if you're ordering one of these couches, make sure you get the leg kit. Another great thing about this couch, it's very universal. It fits bus life, van life, you know, any custom builds you might be doing, RV renovations or whatever. So it's applicable to many different situations. I guess I'm gonna wrap this video up now, and I want to say thank you very much to Lippert for the couch. It's gonna be great in my space, and thank you guys for watching.